Hello guys, welcome back to algebra class, and this time I will go over this quadratic inequality and absolute value inequality in here. And these are very easy to do because only thing that you really have to know is how to use Desmos. It says find the solution set to the following quadratic inequality. So do you see this quadratic? Anything that related to quadratic is going to be really easy because you can actually click the points. So as you can see here, now do you see f of x? Again, you cannot really use f of x in the Desmos, so you're going to use y. So I'm going to use y is less than 3x squared minus 5x minus 2. And as you can see, this one is shaded outside, so I'm going to write outside. And there's 2 points given to us. Point on the right is a 2, point on the left is negative 0.333. If you actually put negative 0.333, fraction is not this. You'll keep clicking 3 until you get what you want, which is negative 1/3. That's what you're going to get. So here, in your answer choice, I can cross out B automatically because it should be shaded outside. And how do we finalize each answer? You're going to write x for negative 1/3, another x for the 2 with the or statement. And do you see this shape? You just copy this one down. So x should be less than negative 1/3 and greater than 2. So your solution should be A. So don't even choose these two. These are the common mistake that I see all the time. So besides, these two are the exactly same here. I don't know why I did it. So keep that in mind. That should not be a big problem, okay? So you guys can do question on the right by yourself. But what about in this case? Unlike here, what if you have equation on the both sides? Who cares? We don't really care about this because you already know when it comes to quadratic, you can just simply put everything into Desmos as it is. And if it does not work, let's say it does not work on actual test, then you can just treat this one just like a absolute value, something that we did. We're gonna do after this, okay? So here, first, always, when you do this, first figure out if it's shaded inside or outside, okay? I'm gonna close circle because it's a line underneath it. Now here, it's shaded inside. So I can cross out A and C automatically because it should be the AND statement. So what are these 2 points? Negative 0.75 and the other one is gonna be 3.5. It's nice decimal, so I should have negative 3/4, 7/2. And as you can see, if it is only one box in the middle, you're gonna put x in the middle and then put inequality symbol. Always less than or equal to. So your solution is gonna be B. Okay, that easy. So now you are gonna try question on the right by yourself, and let me go over this absolute value. It's the same thing. It says find the solution set of the following absolute value inequalities. What you have to do is you just put this one into Desmos and see which one is gonna be the answer. Actually, in fact, I will only go over 1 question so that you guys can do 3 questions by yourself. It's very simple. If you put this one into Desmos as it is, 2 absolute value x minus 3 plus 1 is greater than 3, it tells you where it is shaded. So it's going to be shaded outside. So I can cross out A and C. And this one is easy because I cannot click it, but I can tell this one is between 2 and 4. So I can get answer right away. But here's the thing. What if you cannot tell? In that case, it's very simple. Always, it works for this quadratic as well. You draw the line. There's many ways that I actually did it. first, no matter what, you actually have to figure out where this is shaded in so that you can find the answer. You put this one in on the top. On the other side, you copy it down in the bottom, just like my other one. But you just make sure you put y equals, okay? Just like that. Then, yep, you can write down, you can find these points like this. X value, which is 2. Second one is going to be 4. Because we don't care about 3. Y value. So that's why it's a 2 and 4. Okay? So is that going to work for these questions as well and this? Yep. I mean, I will just put this one in. Just watch. If I put this one in here, 2 absolute value of x minus 2 is plus 3 is greater than 7. So I know it's shaded outside. Again, that's always first thing that I have to figure out. So I can cross out A and D because it's shaded outside. And I'm gonna cross this. I'm putting this one on the top, and I'm gonna put this one, so I put this one on the left, like on the top of this graph. And I'm gonna put this 7 in the bottom. Just I'm gonna put y equals. So if you look at it here, I got this one, 0 and 4. That's gonna be the, why did I use this one? 0 and 4. As you can see, 0 and 4 is gonna be C. So you can do rest of the questions by yourself. If you don't know what I mean, here, same thing. You just put this one into decimals as it is, and you're gonna figure out where to be shaded in, and then you just put, what's that called? This y equals, although in quadratic you don't really have to write it, but just in case, 3x squared plus 7x. If you put it like this, you will have one solution here, connection. Wait, did I? Oh, I didn't. 3. In that case, you are gonna have a 2 intersection point here and here. Do you see negative 0.75 and 3.5? That's what you can do. But when it comes to quadratic, you will not even have to, because just simply just put this onto decimals as it is. So that's about it, guys. If you have any question or concern, just let me know. Again, I will help you. I'm willing to help you, okay? All right, that's about it, guys. See you. Bye.